Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss method of repertorization by Dr. B. K. Sarkar sir. So, why we are reading this method? This method is more elaborative, and if it is asked in exam, I will suggest to write this B.K. Sarkar sir method, 6 method of repertorization. Total 6 methods of repertorization. So what are these 6 methods of repertorization? You have to write in sequential order. Number 1 is Hangman and Boni-Moissan's method. What is this? This method is first method of repertorization where you are getting a complete symptom. What is complete symptom? Location, sensation, modality, concomitant. So if you are getting a case which is having all the 4 components for every symptom, then you will follow this Hahnemann or Boni-Moissan method of repertorization, where you will use BTPB, Boni-Moissan Therapeutic Pocket Book. But what is second method of repertorization? Kent method. So in Kent method, you will find general symptom. So what are general symptoms? That may be mental, that may be physical. But a case having every type of general symptom will be repertorized with the help of Kent repertory by Kentian method, where you will find predominantly general symptom. It may be mental general, it may be physical general. Now, what is third method? Third method where a case is lack of mental general symptom. So, a case is lacking mental symptom. Mental symptom are always general. Mental symptom. So, lack of mental symptom, but presence of physical general symptom. So this will be followed by particular. So this will be third method of repertorization. It means where a case is having lack of mental symptom, physical general, and then particular. In this also you can use Kane repertory or any general repertory. Lack of general, both mental and physical. So a case which is lacking mental and physical general, both type of general. So lack of general will lead to particular or striking, peculiar symptom. So a case which is having lack of general, may be mental, may be physical, but having particular or striking, peculiar symptom. So this will be fourth method of repertorization. So same way we are thinking that earlier this complete symptom, then followed by case with general symptom, followed by case lacking in mental general, followed by cases lacking with all the type of general, maybe mental, maybe physical, but no general symptom are present. Then they will find striking, peculiar symptom or particular symptom, and then we will repertorize it. Particularly we have to use striking but peculiar characteristic symptom. So this was fourth method. Fifth method, where common symptom or pathology is present. So if a case having a lot of common symptom along with pathology, then we will use fifth method, where what accessory thing we should use? Patient's personal history, family history, temperament, particular organ affected, location, and character of parts affected, and last is pathology, pathology is etiology. It means mainly etiology. What is the cause? So these things should be considered while repertorizing by fifth method. It means a case is not having too much mental or any type of general or complete symptom, then we will use every means, every source which we can use for this method of repertorization. It means whatever possible source we can try to get a complete picture of disease, we will apply. This is last method where technical nosological terms are used. For example, gangrene, simple anemia, cancer, etc. So this is the last method where we are not getting any peculiar symptom. Case pathology is very advanced and we are not able to cure the case. So in this type of cases we will try to palliate or suppress. So because finite symptom we will not get, we will just broad pathological nosological terms. So these are 6 methods of repertorization which you will write in your exam given by B.K. Sarkar, and if it is a very long question then you can also write that 4 method earlier I have taught in previous class, and this 6 method based on symptom predominance, how general and common symptom are gone, and then method comes step by step, first to 6. Okay, thank you dear students. See you in next class.